Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing on the Cruiser Outfitter 3 to 4 inch OME lift on the 94. It's for the 80 series Land Cruiser. So this is just a quick unboxing just to show you guys what you guys get. So this is supposed to get the ride about 3 to 4 inch lift. It's supposed to give it really nice, and we're just gonna unbox it and see what it looks like. So it usually comes in just a little small box. I'm surprised it's able to fit in one whole box. Pretty amazing, right? Holy smoke, we have this. I have no clue what this is. This is the caster plate. So this is a caster plate kit. I didn't know it come with this kit. We'll show you this in a bit. Okay, so something's missing right away, guys. I only have the shock. So these are all just the shocks. Yeah, there's only the shocks in here. There's the stabilizer. Another shock. And another shock. And some stickers. So I know what happened when the post office man dropped it off. I saw another box, and I'm pretty sure that's one of my package. So I'm gonna go chase him down because I think he's still around here, and I think he has my other box. Okay guys, so here's what happened. So last night they actually split up my shipment, so the coils didn't get delivered till today. So I just got rid of my coils. So here's half of the order. I'm gonna open up the coils. We got the shocks already. The steering stabilizer, I've already installed that because that's really simple. So we're gonna open up the coil pack. Comes in a nice big box right here, super heavy. So we have 4 coils. Holy smoke. They are definitely way bigger than the stock, guys. I can tell right away. OME 850J J series. That's a nice boy. So this side faces down. So this one's probably for the rear. I wish they were yellow. That would have been nice. Yellow coils would have been nice. So 850J 257 352. So these two are the same. I heard that the rear, the passenger and the driver's side, they're a little bit different, but I'm not seeing any difference on these. They're about the same size. And then we have the fronts. Wait, no, these are the fronts. These are the fronts, these are the rear. Yeah, so you guys see the difference? These are way wider, bigger in diameter. So these are the same for the front, and these are the rear. So this one is labeled A63J 282439, and this one has a letter B on it. Letter B and letter A. So I'm gonna check out which one is which. I think A is for the driver's side, left side, and B is for the right side. But we'll confirm that later. But I'm gonna go ahead and start installing these. It'll be lots of fun.